Pakistan has formally confirmed that it has applied for BRICS membership. If Pakistan enters the bloc, it will open new economic and strategic partnership avenues. Pakistan has increased its diplomatic efforts to seek support from the bloc's members, especially Russia. Pakistan needs a consensus of all member states to join this bloc. Whether India supports Pakistan's bid remains unsure. However, the situation does reinforce the need for good relations with India. BRICS is an intergovernmental organization comprising 5 emerging economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. BRICS is the acronym for the initials of its 5 member states. Initially, it was formed as an informal bloc, including 4 states: Brazil, Russia, India, and China. The bloc was called BRIC. The foreign ministers of BRIC countries met in 2006 and a series of high-level talks began. It held its first summit in 2009. South Africa joined in 2010, and the bloc's name changed from BRIC to BRICS. It convenes annual summits around the themes of cooperation on economy, security, and development. BRICS advocates for a multipolar world order and increased integration of Global South in the world arena. The bloc has often called for reforms in Western-dominated financial institutions, like the IMF and the World Bank. Later, in 2014, BRICS members established their own financial institution called the New Development Bank. Following the 15th BRICS Summit in August 2023, it invited 6 new members, including Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE. With the addition of 6 new members, BRICS will have 40% of the world's population, a combined GDP of $30.76 trillion, contributing 30% to the world economy. Almost 40 nations expressed interest in joining the organization, as reported by South Africa's top diplomat in relations with the bloc. 14 countries have formally applied to join in 2023. Russia will be chairing the 16th summit in October 2024. It will play a key role in deciding which country's bid is to be put forth in the upcoming summit. Pakistan also formally applied to join BRICS in November. Pakistan doesn't expect opposition from Brazil, South Africa, and China. It has also approached Russia to support its cause in joining BRICS. Pakistan has to ensure a trade-off with Russia to get its support. Pakistan's new envoy to Russia, Khalid Jamali, told TASS, the Russian news channel, that Pakistan does not support sanctions against Russia. He said that Pakistan's imports from Russia grew by 154% in 2023. He further expressed that Pakistan is open to adopt Mir, a Russian e-card payment system. Pakistan is trading and giving diplomatic support to Russia. In return, Russia will support Pakistan in BRICS. Whether India supports Pakistan remains a question that is being widely speculated about. Both countries share strained historical relations coupled with deep mistrust and even hatred. India allegedly blocked Pakistan's entrance to the 2022 BRICS Plus summit, where China invited multiple non-members to the virtual dialogue. Since BRICS needs a unanimous decision, India might not support Pakistan's bid. However, Pakistan and India have been members of the same organization before, like SCO and SARC. In SCO, both countries joined in the same year, 2017, so they did not require each other's acceptance. A partner state status could also be considered a feat, even if Pakistan doesn't get complete membership. Partner state status in BRICS was created at the 15th BRICS Summit in 2023 to expand BRICS's horizon. Russian Deputy Foreign Minister Sergei Ryabkov said that BRICS plans to agree on a list of candidates for partner state status, ahead of the 2024 summit. BRICS can open new doors for economic partnerships for Pakistan's struggling economy. Pakistan will get the chance to diversify its relationships and deepen cooperation with the other members. Pakistan can be a big market for BRICS members, which would lead to mutually beneficial partnerships. Pakistan also advocates for a more balanced international system that aligns with the BRICS's continued emphasis on multipolarity. Moreover, BRICS might bring Pakistan and India closer. While India, though initially reluctant, now supports the expansion of BRICS. It still has a long-enduring rivalry with Pakistan, which might guide its opposition to Pakistan's inclusion. Nevertheless, if India shows a positive response, This might provide a forum for Pakistan and India to enhance trade and partnership and gradually overcome their differences. A partner state status could also be considered a feat, even if Pakistan doesn't get complete membership. Partner state status in BRICS was created at the 15th BRICS Summit in 2023 to expand BRICS's horizon. Russian Deputy Foreign Minister Sergei Ryabkov said that BRICS plans to agree on a list of candidates for partner state status ahead of the 2024 summit. Further developments of these diplomatic engagements are yet to be seen. But it re-emphasized the importance of good relations with our largest bordering neighbor, India. Our policymakers and officials need to take a conscious approach to build mutual trust between India and Pakistan. Both countries have loads of issues which require mutual understanding and cooperation. Joining BRICS would not have been a challenge if Pakistan and India had enjoyed a good relationship.